All right, in this lesson, we're going to look at converting between metric units of mass. So, mass. What is mass? Well, it's the definition how much matter there is in any object. It's not the same as weight, but it's close enough that we can think of it like weight. When we're measuring the mass of any object or person, we have 3 units that we use most common. We have kilograms, grams, and milligrams. And they're actually 1,000 times different from each other. So there are 1,000 milligrams in a gram. So if we go from milligrams to grams, it's 1,000 times more. And then if we have grams, there's actually 1,000 grams into kilograms. It's 1,000 times bigger. So let's kind of look at some objects, what we would use to measure each one. This is Miss Lauren, it's me. I weigh 66 kilograms. So you can picture how big I am, and I weigh 66 kilograms. Another example is a bag of sugar for baking is 2 kilograms. So now let's compare into grams. A can of tuna is 65 grams. So if I weigh 66 kilograms and this is 65 grams, you can imagine how many I could fit into me. Before we saw a whole bag of sugar is 2 kilograms. Well, a tablespoon of sugar is 2 grams. So think about how many spoonfuls of sugar are in that bag. And now finally, let's look at milligrams. Milligrams are teeny tiny little things because if I look at it, one Advil pill is already 200 milligrams. So if we think about what is something that's small, if you eat chia seeds, one little chia seed is like 5 milligrams. It's crazy. They're so small. But the most important question of the day is how do we convert between them? So we have our handy dandy trick. We know that in metric system, there are all of these measurements that we don't necessarily use, but they're important. And so we have our rhyme. King Henry died, Grandma didn't care much. And we use that to help convert. So let's do some examples. I have 5 kilograms, so I'm starting here at kilograms, and I want to know how many grams that is. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And here I have my invisible decimal. I'll do 1, 2, 3, meaning I'll have to put in some zeros. So it's 5,000 grams. We can do the same thing here. But now I'm going from kilograms to milligrams. So let's start. At kilograms, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to add 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 12 million milligrams. That's crazy. And the last one, we're going to go from grams to milligrams. So here I have 2.87 grams to milligrams. 1, 2, 3. I start at the decimal this time because it's not at the end. 1, 2, 3. And it's 2,870 milligrams. So now let's try going the other way, from a small amount to a bigger amount. So here I have 198 milligrams. I'm starting here, and now I'm swooping this way to grams. So I go 1, 2, 3. So now I have to swoop the other direction. 1, 2, 3. So that means it's 0.198 thousandths of grams. And I have, again, from milligrams to grams. I'm going 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And now it's 72 thousandths of grams. And my last one, let's go from grams to kilograms. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left. So it's 45 thousandths of kilograms.